Good morning, everyone. How are you all? I hope you all have enjoyed your holidays and done your homework also. There are many of the students, those who have not submitted their homework still. I have a record with me. So, please, I request you all to submit your complete homework by tomorrow. Fine. So, today we are going to start with chapter number 11 and 12. We will be doing the revision. It is the summary lecture for class 4th. So we will be doing the revision of chapter number 11, that is adjectives, and chapter number 12, that is degrees of comparison. I have taught you both the chapters before the vacations. So this is again the revision of both the same chapters, and it is of term 2, and it is again from your PC Wren's grammar book. I hope you all have got the books now. So kindly start filling your books with me, and kindly do it with pencil, not with pen, in a neat handwriting. Fine. So let us begin with the chapter now. See, so what all the topics we are going to cover in this? This is the chapter number 12, adjectives. I'm going to explain you, then degrees of comparison. Then I will be giving you the homework also, and we are going to discuss the last homework solution that you will get to know at the end. See, adjectives. You all can see there are so many alphabets, and they are all in beautiful colors. So adjectives basically is known as describing words. It describes something. It describes the noun. It describes the noun. It tells us the quantity, quality, how the noun is. Fine. So let us begin. Adjective, a word that describes a noun. I have already told you. You can look over here. It's a owl. Owl is a noun over here. So how the owl is, how it look like. It's a green owl. कैसा owl है ये? हरा. So fine. So the example is green owl. It is telling us about the noun. All the numbers, colors, they all are adjectives. Now see, now we will discuss about kinds of adjective. I hope you all have understood what do you mean by adjective. Adjective हिंदी में हम इसको बोलते हैं विशेषण. क्या बोलते हैं? विशेषण, जो किसी चीज़ की विशेषता बताते हैं. किसकी विशेषता बताते हैं? संज्ञा की. संज्ञा क्या होता है? Noun. So we are going to start with the kinds of adjective. So there are basically 6 kinds, but in your syllabus there are only first 2 kind. एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वालिटी, एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वांटिटी. आपके सिलेबस में फर्स्ट वाले, पहले वाले 2 हैं बस. सो लेट अस स्टार्ट नाउ. लेट अस प्रोसीड फर्दर. नाउ सी, एडजेक्टिव्स ऑफ क्वालिटी. क्वालिटी मीन्स किसी चीज़ बताना कि कोई चीज़ कैसी है, उसकी क्वालिटी कैसी है, उसका डिस्क्रिप्शन, डिस्क्राइब करना कि कोई चीज़ कैसी है, हाउ, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ इट इज़. So adjective of quality, it is also known as descriptive quality. Descriptive adjective shows the kind or a quality of a person or a thing. कि कोई भी चीज़ वो कैसी है. Like the example is London is a large city. So what kind of city the London is? It is basically a large city. Fine. So large over here is describing London and city. So large is a adjective of quality. He's an honest man. What kind of man he is? He's an honest man. So honest, ईमानदार. Honest means ईमानदार. So honest is basically describing the man over here. Fine. The foolish crow tried to sing. Foolish. Foolish means मूर्ख. So crow. What kind of crow is? It's foolish. So it is describing the noun. Noun over here is crow. So it describes, the adjective describes the noun, that is foolish. So what kind of adjective it is? It is adjective of quality. So you can read over here, adjectives formed from proper nouns. Like example, French wines. Wine is a noun over here. What kind of wine it is? It is French wine. Indian tea. Tea है, चाय है. It is a noun. What kind of tea it is? कौन सी है? Indian. Fine. Turkish tobacco. Tobacco is a noun over here. So Turkish is a adjective, it describes tobacco, are sometimes called proper adjective. So adjective of quality answers the question of what kind of. तो आपको समझ आया, एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वालिटी हमें क्या बताता है कि कोई चीज़ कैसी है, किस प्रकार की है. मीन्स इट डिस्क्राइब्स द नाउन, इट डिस्क्राइब्स द नाउन, इट टेल्स अस what kind of noun it is. Now you can look over here on the few examples. See, let us start from the first one. Alex is a nice person. Alex is a nice person. So what kind of person Alex is? Nice. So nice over here is a adjective of quality. He is a cricketer. So he is a cricketer. Cricketer is a noun over here. There is a mistake. So we can correct the sentence over here is he is a perfect cricketer. He is an amazing cricketer. So amazing, perfect will be the adjective of quality. I bought a genuine product. Genuine again is the adjective of quality. I am a self-reliant man. So self-reliant is explaining the man, what kind of man he is. He is a self-reliant. He has a beautiful niece. It is not nice. Do not read it as nice. Nice नहीं पढ़ना है ऐसे. इसे क्या पढ़ते हैं हम? niece. Niece means भतीजी and nephew means भतीजा. So he has a beautiful niece. So niece is a noun over here. It describes niece, that is beautiful. She is a clever girl. What kind of girl she is? She is clever, chalak. Give me that red big grammar book. Book is a noun over here. What kind of book we are talking about? Red big grammar. That all three are adjective of quality. I have an old touring car. Fine, so it describes about the car. And the last example is he bought an expensive old silver mirror. So what kind of the mirror is? It is expensive, mehenga, old silver mirror. So the things which describes the noun, it tells us what kind of noun is. So that is known as adjective of quality. Fine, so let us move further on. Next kind, that is adjective of quantity. Quantity, what do you mean by quantity? Quantity means it tells us about how much, कितना है, कोई quantity, कोई चीज़ कितनी है. Fine, now see the example over here. I ate some rice, कुछ चावल. Rice is a noun over here, so it is describing what is the adjective of quantity, how much. It is some rice, kuch chawal. He has little intelligence. He has little, thodi si. He showed much patience. He has lost all his wealth. All, complete. So the words which are in pink color tells us the quality. It tells us the quantity. It tells us the quantity of noun. Rise is noun over here. Intelligence is abstract noun. Patience is again the abstract noun. Wealth is again the noun over here. So it is telling us how much, what kind of quantity it is, how much. So fine, you all can read over here the last line. Adjectives of quantity answers the question how much. Now see, look at the examples. These are quantitative examples of quantity adjective. Albert roasted some chicken for his teammates. Some chicken, kuch. Ron has many pens in his large bag. Many, so many. John completed the whole task. Pura. There is enough juice for my breakfast. Little water is needed to make the pastry. So the words which are in bold black, they are the adjective of what? Quality. Sorry, quantity. They are the adjective of quantity. It is telling us how much quantity, kitni hai. I do not have any chocolate in my bag. Any is basically used for negative and interrogative sentences. Fine. I have sufficient money for shopping. There is enough water in the jug. Enough is a adjective of quantity. So what do you mean by adjective of quantity? It tells us how much the thing is. कोई चीज़ है लेकिन वो कितनी है, उसकी क्वांटिटी बताता है. एंड द एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वालिटी मीन्स व्हाट काइंड ऑफ, किस प्रकार की है कोई चीज़. नाउ सी दिस इज द एक्सरसाइज फ्रॉम योर बुक and it is again from PC Wren's grammar book. I can tell you the page number. In fact, it is from chapter number, one second. See, it is on chapter number 52, sorry, page number 52, and it is chapter number 12. Adjectives. Fine, this exercise was left, so I'm going to discuss this exercise, then we will move further on degrees of comparison. So the question is, change the following nouns in adjectives with the help of a suffix alongside. What do you mean by suffix? Suffix means the word which is added to a word. कोई भी वर्ड जो हमें ऐड करते हैं, किसी भी वर्ड के बाद में ऐड करते हैं. प्रीफिक्स मीन्स पहले ऐड करते हैं, सफिक्स मीन्स बाद में ऐड करते हैं. देखो, कंफर्ट, आई एम एडिंग ओवर हियर एबल, ABLE. सो एबल वर्ड, इट इज एडेड आफ्टर द comfort word, that is suffix. If I am going to add something before comfort, अगर मैंने comfort से पहले कुछ ऐड किया, like example dis, 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 so that will be prefix. वो क्या होगा? comfort का prefix, that will be discomfort. Fine. अगर मुझे suffix बनाना है उसका, तो उसमें क्या करेंगे? वो बाद में ऐड करेंगे, like comfortable. Fine. So you all need to add. Change the following nouns. Their nouns are given over here. So you have to change into adjectives. आपको उसे adjective में बदलना है. कैसे बदलोगे आप? उसमें suffix add करके, बाद में कुछ आपको add करना है. Then make a sentence of your own with each. फिर हर एक word से आपको, हर एक adjective से आपको sentence frame करना है. I hope you all have understood. So let us start. The first word is comfort. So I have added over here ABLE, able. So it is becoming comfortable. I'm sitting on a comfortable chair. You can frame your own sentences also, but keep in mind to make use of grammatical properly. See, delight, delightful. I have added full over here at the end of the word. That is becoming delightful. The newlyweds had a delightful dinner. Glory, glorious. I have added OUS. It is becoming glorious. Our country has a glorious past. Now look at the next word, that is harm. Harm is a noun over here. I have to make a adjective by adding suffix. Then it is harmless. Fine, it can be harmful also. It can be harmless also. This experiment was harmless to the animals. Healthy. Fine, sorry, it is health. Health is a noun over here, so I have added suffix y over here and made a adjective, that is healthy. It is important to have a balanced and a healthy diet. Hope, hopeful. I have added full over here. I am hopeful that she will come tomorrow. Envious. She was envious of her sister's beauty. Now this is the exercise. It is again given on page number 53. This was also left, so let us complete it. It's very interesting and it's very easy, in fact. Read it. What are they saying? In each bubble, fill in the first blank with a noun you all can see, and the second blank in an adjective. You may choose words from the box given below. See, these are the words. You have to choose them and you have to fill in the blanks by looking at the pictures, in fact. I am a tortoise. You all can look over here. There is a tortoise words. So tortoise is a noun over here. Now you have to Write a adjective for tortoise. What can you write? Can you add an adjective for tortoise over here? What kind of tortoise it is? Tortoise, I am slow. Tortoise walks slow. Are you getting? You have to find a noun. You have to find a noun from the box given below, and you have to fill in the blank and also write an adjective from that blank only. See, read the question once again if you are confused. What are they saying? वे क्या कह रहे हैं? In each bubble, fill in the first blank with a noun. आपको हर एक बबल में जो फर्स्ट ब्लैंक है उसमें नाउन फिल करना है, एंड द सेकेंड ब्लैंक विद एडजेक्टिव. और सेकेंड ब्लैंक में आपको क्या फिल करना है? एडजेक्टिव. लाइक आई एम टॉर्टॉइस. सो आप एडजेक्टिव क्या फिल कर सकते हो टॉर्टॉइस के लिए? आई एम स्लो. टॉर्टॉइस तो स्लो है. सी, नेक्स्ट इज आई एम एन आइसक्रीम. व्हाट काइंड ऑफ आइसक्रीम? आई एम कोल्ड. आइसक्रीम ठंडी होती है ना. नेक्स्ट इज दिस इज अ रैट. So, I am a rat. I have a dash tail. उसकी tail कैसी होती है? Long. Fine. Next is, this is a soup over here. I am soup. S-O-U-P. And it will be I am hot. Can you see the layers over here? It's too hot. I hope you all have understood. Complete this activity also and the previous book exercise also. Now let us go with the degree of comparison. I have already taught you this degree of comparison. There are basically three kind of degrees. First is positive, then comparative, then superlative. Fine. These are three degrees of adjective, and I have taught you all the rules also. See, again I am telling you, with positive degree we do not add er or est. Fine. To make it comparative, we add er to the positive degree, and to make it superlative we add est to the positive degree also. पॉजिटिव डिग्री में ई आर और ई एस टी हम नहीं ऐड करते. अगर हमें उसे कंपैरेटिव बनाना है तो हम उसमें ई आर और ई आर ऐड करेंगे. अगर हमें उसे सुपरलेटिव बनाना है तो हम उसमें ई एस टी ऐड करेंगे. फाइन. सो दीज आर द फ्यू रूल्स विच यू नीड टू लर्न, एंड यू हैव टू कीप इट इन योर माइंड टू फ्रेम दीज कंपैरेटिव एंड सुपरलेटिव डिग्री. फॉर्मेशन ऑफ कंपैरेटिव and superlative degrees. So the first rule is by adding er and est to the positive degree. This I have already told you. Like example is bright. If I add er to it, it will become brighter. If I add est to it, it will become brightest. And the comparative degree, superlative degree is the biggest degree. Fine. Now look at the second example, young. If I am adding er, it will be younger. If I add est, it will be youngest. Bold, bolder, boldest. Clever, cleverer, cleverest. Cold, colder, coldest. Now the second rule is by adding r and st to the positive degree ending with e. If the positive degree end with e, you can see the e at the last of every adjective. If the positive degree end with e, अगर कोई भी पॉजिटिव डिग्री लास्ट में ई आता है तो आप उसमें कंपैरेटिव बनाने के लिए उसमें सिर्फ आर ऐड करते हो, और सुपरलेटिव बनाने के लिए उसमें क्या ऐड करते हो आप? एस टी. लाइक ब्रेव. ब्रेव किस पे ख़त्म हो रहा है आप? BRAVE, ई पे. सो इट इज़ बिकमिंग. अगर हम उसमें आर ऐड करते हैं तो इट विल बी ब्रेवर. अगेन इफ वी ऐड एस टी, इट विल बी ब्रेवेस्ट. फाइन. Fine, finer, finest. Large, larger, largest. Nice, nicer, nicest. Base, baser, basest. Dense, denser, densest. Wise, wiser, wisest. So this was the second rule, and this is the third rule. By deleting y to the final y. If we delete y from the end of the positive degree and we add IER, it becomes comparative. If we add IEST, it becomes superlative. Now look at the example over here. This happy. Happy ends with Y. Healthy, Y. Wealthy, again Y. Heavy, again Y. Dry, again Y. Pretty, again Y. Busy, again Y. If we remove all these Y's, fine, and we add IER, it becomes comparative. If we add IEST, it becomes superlative. Now look at the first word, that is happy, and we are removing Y from there and we are adding IER. It is becoming happier. If we add IEST, it becomes happiest. Wealthy, wealthier, wealthiest. Sorry, healthy, healthier, healthiest. Wealthy, wealthier, wealthiest. Heavy, heavier, heaviest. Dry, drier, driest. Pretty, prettier, prettiest. Busy, busier, busiest. So the next rule is, by doubling the last letter and then adding ER or EST. There are some words in which we double the last letter. जो last वाला word होता है उसको 2 बार लिखते हैं, जैसे big. G is the last letter, we are writing it double 2 बार, और उसमें क्या ऐड करते हैं, ER, तो वो कंपैरेटिव बन जाती है. अगर EST ऐड करते हैं तो सुपरलेटिव बन जाती है. बिग, बिगर, बिगेस्ट. फैट, फैटर, fattest. Hot, hotter, hottest. Thin, thinner, thinnest. Sad, sadder, saddest. Wet, wetter, wettest. Dim, dimmer, dimmest. So this is the next rule. In case of some adjectives, comparative and superlative degree are formed in irregular way. Irregular means there is a no rule for that. It is completely changed. बिल्कुल ही बदल जाती है. जो आपको लर्न करना पड़ेगा उसके लिए कोई रूल नहीं होता. लाइक बैड, वर्स, वर्स्ट. गुड, बेटर, बेस्ट. लिटल, लेस, लीस्ट. मच, मोर, मोस्ट. लेट, लेटर, लेटेस्ट. आउट, आउटर. It can be outermost also, it can be utmost also. And there are certain adjective which are long words, जो लंबे शब्द होते हैं, जिसमें हम ER और EST नहीं ऐड कर सकते, जिसमें हम more ऐड करते हैं कंपैरेटिव बनाने के लिए और most ऐड करते हैं सुपरलेटिव बनाने के लिए. Look at the some examples over here. It is beautiful. If we are going to add ER, beautifuler, is it any word? No. If we add EST, beautifulest, it is again wrong. So we add more to make it comparative. We add most to make it superlative. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Useful, more useful, most useful. Comfortable, more comfortable, most comfortable. Dangerous, more dangerous, most dangerous. Helpful, more helpful, most helpful. Difficult, more difficult, most difficult. I hope you all have understood all these rules, and there are few uses how you are going to fill in the blanks. अगर आपके पास blanks fill करने के लिए आए तो आपको कैसे पता चलेगा इसमें हमें comparative degree fill करनी है या हमें इसमें superlative degree fill करनी है. Now look over here, these are few uses that will help you in doing fill-ups. So the first use is, the comparative degree is used when a comparison between two persons or two groups or the two things is made. जब भी हम दो के बीच में कंपेयर करते हैं तो उसमें क्या यूज़ करते हैं हम, कंपैरेटिव डिग्री. जब दो लोगों को, दो इंसान को, दो चीज़ों को, किसी भी दो चीज़ को कंपेयर करते हैं तो उसमें क्या यूज़ करते हैं हम, कंपैरेटिव डिग्री. एंड वन मोर इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग, वहाँ पे हमारा आता है दैन, THAN, दैन. कभी भी ब्लैंक के बाद दैन आता है तो वहाँ पे हम कंपैरेटिव डिग्री फिल करते हैं. अगर ब्लैंक से पहले द आता है तो हम सुपरलेटिव डिग्री फिल करते हैं. अगर ब्लैंक से पहले ए एन आर्टिकल आते हैं तो उसमें हम पॉजिटिव डिग्री फिल करते हैं. फाइन, दीज आर फ्यू रूल्स. लाइक द फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल इज, Mohan is more intelligent than Sohan. So how we came to know that we have to fill a comparative degree in this blank? If I say Mohan and Sohan, there is a comparison made between two persons, so you have to fill comparative degree. And there is one more hint. See, Mohan is dash then Sohan. Now this blank, if there is not filled the comparative degree, अगर इसमें नहीं भरी हुई और उसमें blank के बाद आपको लिखा है than, तो आप पहचान जाना उसमें कंपैरेटिव डिग्री आएगी. मोहन इज मोर इंटेलिजेंट दैन सोहन. सो दिस इज द हिंट विच विल हेल्प यू टू फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स. नाउ द नेक्स्ट इज, सुपरलेटिव डिग्री इज यूज्ड व्हेन द कंपैरिजन इज मेड मोर देन वन पर्सन और थिंग. सुपरलेटिव डिग्री को हम यूज़ करते हैं जब उसका कंपैरिजन होता है, एक नहीं, दो नहीं, पूरे कंप्लीट होल बंच से। जैसे हम एक गर्ल का कंपैरिजन कर रहे हैं, शी इज़ द मोस्ट ब्यूटिफुल गर्ल इन द होल क्लास। सो पूरी क्लास में एक दो का कंपैरिजन नहीं होता, सबसे कंपैरिजन होता है उस चीज़ का। नाउ लुक हियर, सी द सुपरलेटिव डिग्री इज प्रीसीडेड बाय द डेफिनेट आर्टिकल द। मैंने अभी आपको बताया था, कभी भी ब्लैंक केस से पहले अगर द आता है तो वहाँ पे आती है हमारी सुपरलेटिव डिग्री। यू कैन सी द ओवर हियर, फाइन। अगर यहाँ द नहीं होगा, ब्लैंक के बाद दैन होगा, तो यहाँ पे कंपैरेटिव डिग्री आएगी। अगर दैन भी नहीं है, द भी नहीं है, तो वहाँ पे पॉजिटिव डिग्री आएगी। ही इज़ द बेस्ट स्टूडेंट इन द क्लास। She is the most beautiful girl of this town. He is the tallest student in our class. Jupiter is the biggest planet in the solar system. That was the best movie ever. I hope you all have understood how to fill in the blanks. Positive degree आएगी अगर blank से पहले the नहीं है और blank के बाद than नहीं है और हम उसका किसी से comparison भी नहीं कर रहे। कंपैरेटिव डिग्री आएगी अगर ब्लैंक के बाद THAM दैन है और हम दो चीज़ में कंपैरिजन कर रहे हैं। सुपरलेटिव डिग्री आएगी जब हम एक चीज़ को सबसे कंपैरिजन कर रहे हैं और ब्लैंक से पहले द भी है, वहाँ पे सुपरलेटिव डिग्री का यूज़ करेंगे। सो दिस इज़ द होमवर्क सॉल्यूशन। इन द लास्ट लेक्चर आई गेव यू होमवर्क ऑल्सो, एंड दैट इज़ फ्रॉम चैप्टर नंबर 13 ऑफ ग्रामर, and that was exercise number 1 I gave you for homework. Fine, so let us discuss that. That was a table which you need to complete it, and that was very easy. So I have written the answers for that. So the first word was verse. comparative दिया हुआ था आपको, तो क्या लिखेंगे? good verse, worst, big bigger, biggest, thin thinner, thinnest, important more important, most important, happy happier, happiest, soft softer, softest, beautiful more beautiful, most beautiful. If you will learn the rules, it will be very easy for you to complete the table. Fine, so this was exercise number 2. This also I gave you for homework, and I have written the answers of it. Correct, circle the correct option. Now look over here where we have to fill the comparative, superlative and positive degree. Cherries are dash then strawberries. अब इसके पीछे क्या है? than. यहाँ पे कौन सी डिग्री आएगी? comparative. Cherries are sweeter than strawberries. December is the dash month of the year. अब dash इस choice से पहले क्या है? the it means superlative degree. December is the coldest month of the year. She is the dash student in our class. She is the आ गया यहाँ, तो superlative degree. brightest. That is a dash sandwich. अब than भी नहीं आया, द भी नहीं आया, आया, so that is a big sandwich. comparative भी नहीं fill होगा यहाँ पे. This is the deepest lake I have ever seen. Devi is more intelligent than Ashmi. Milkha Singh was the fastest recorder Indian sprinter. Give her a. Now there is no the, no an, so we are going to use positive degree over here. Give her a little milk to drink. So this is all about second exercise. You can look at the example, answers over here. Fine. So after that, this is your homework. This is exercise number 3, and it is given on page number 58. Fine, you have to complete this exercise and you have to revise both the chapters. I hope you all have understood both the chapters, and still if you face any problem, you can WhatsApp me or you can add in the query on EdQuack also. Fine, so that is for today. Thank you.